Hi everyone, I'm Cal Spriggs. Today I'm going to show you a new modular 3D printable miniature storage method that I am trying out. Because I have so many models, storage has become increasingly a problem for me. That's why I was excited to see this design for a modular storage component. It was really quick to print. You can see I was able to print one full component on my Bamboo P1P pretty quickly. All the pieces go together really well. I got it printed out, laid everything flat so that it would print easily, and then I started just looking at how they'd all print. Now I did print 2 sets of these just because I kind of wanted to see how they went together, and I wanted to actually put them together as double stacked rather than a single stack for these. As you can see, I kind of fiddled around with them. They came with instructions. I tend to like to just play with it and figure it out before I resort to looking at directions for stuff like this. And fortunately, the directions were both pretty easy, and then assembly was easy enough that I put it together here just looking at it, and then went back and looked at the directions and realized I'd done it correctly. So I do like how smoothly everything slides together. I only needed a little bit of glue on there just to keep the legs and the bottom component. And as you can see, a 32mm base slots right into these holes. The designer has put together a whole bunch of different size bases, the different model sizes that you might play with Warhammer 40k, Warhammer Fantasy, etc. There's square ones, there's round ones, there's oval ones, all different sizes, all kind of scoped out to all fit together. All in all, it's really well put together. I liked it. You can see me kind of fiddling around, seeing the size of a model and do I have room to get them in and out. There's different size legs for this, which I really liked. So you can configure it for if you have plastic trays that you want to put these inside. You can set it up for shoe boxes, because a lot of modelers or a lot of hobbyists tend to use shoe boxes and that kind of thing. So I really like the adjustable height, especially with these 40k models. I'm able to size them so that I can slip the models in and out easily. You can see me kind of just checking the fit and making sure I have everything lined up properly before I put it all together. Now with this, like I said, I did double stack them because I wanted to put these ones on a shelf to try and ease some of my crowded shelves as far as miniatures. And yeah, 1000 Sun Rubric Marine fits in there perfectly. I'm able to slide them in and out. The thing's really sturdy. All in all, I really liked how well this thing went together, how easily it went together. I love how reconfigurable it is. I'm probably going to put some magnets or a magnetic plate underneath each of these rows so that I don't have to worry at all about the models bumping around. And there it is on the shelf. I'm able to fit 22 Rubric Marines in there, using up really half the space that I was before, along with room on top for special characters. So all in all, highly recommend. If you're interested in this design, I've included the link in the video description. I recommend checking it out. Thanks for watching.